Welcome to the channel Tech Unbox Pro, Dust. Today, we're diving into the powerful Samsung Galaxy A57 Pro 5G. This device brings flagship-level excitement in a mid-range package. Let's start with the highlight, its stunning 200 megapixels main camera. With Samsung's advanced optics and AI imaging, every photo feels ultra-sharp, detailed, and ready to post. Whether it's daylight photography or nighttime shots, the phone excels with enhanced night mode and low-light clarity. It even supports impressive zoom, portrait depth, and stable video recording that looks smooth for vlogging or cinematic clips. Now the battery. Samsung packed a massive 7,000 mAh cell in this device, making it one of the longest-lasting 5G phones in 2025. You can binge videos, game for hours, or browse social apps without constantly searching for a charger. When you do plug in, the 45W fast charging support gets you powered up rapidly. The display is a gorgeous 6.8-inch Super AMOLED screen with 120Hz refresh rate. Scrolling, gestures, and animations feel buttery smooth, and colors pop beautifully while watching Netflix or YouTube. Under the hood, the optimized Exynos performance chipset keeps everything responsive, even during heavy gaming. Titles like PUBG, Call of Duty, and Free Fire run reliably with minimal lag and excellent frame stability. The design looks modern and premium, while One UI 2025 adds smart features, fluid multitasking, and customization that enhances everyday use. If you want camera quality, unbeatable battery backup, and blazing 5G speed, the A57 Pro 5G is a serious contender. That's all for today. Keep exploring tech with Tech Unbox Pro.